Hi. So the biggest dilemma that every person goes through is literally लड़कियों को क्या गिफ्ट देना चाहिए. I mean लड़कों का तो काफी easy है यार. उनके लिए या तो watch ले आओ या tie ले आओ या maybe like a phone cover or a cool wallet, right? The options are quite limited, so it's quite easy to choose. But with girls, there are so many options. How do you even choose? How do you get them the right gift that they will care for, that वो रखेंगे, that वो cherish करेंगे and return नहीं करेंगे? Well, I am here to sort you out. I have the best recommendations possible where I will show you 5 really cool options. I'm going to take you through the price range from high to low. मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी ये किट में exactly है क्या, इससे बनता क्या है, quick process overview and कहाँ कहाँ इसको use किया जा सकता है, so that if anybody asks you any questions when you're gifting it to them, you know exactly what to say. So, are you ready to check out all the cool options to make your girls super happy? Number 1 on my list, the Jesmonite Terrazzo trinket tray. It's quite a tongue twister, isn't it? But trust me, even though the sound of the name might be a little complicated, the kit is extremely simple and super fun to do. Well, it's priced at a $2399 with free shipping at Kitsstores.in. The best part about this kit is that you can make these beautiful looking trinket trays in literally 20 to 30 minutes. That's all. So we give you everything possible in the kit, from the Jesmonite to the liquid to different colors, the terrazzo chips, the mold, and a very detailed tutorial. All you have to do is scan the QR code at the back and a whole detailed video pops up where you're taught exactly what to do, how to do, and everything that you need to know about this kit. The best part, is that unlike cement and resin, this literally dries up in a dot 20 minutes. As soon as you pour it and you set it in your mold, these beautiful trinket trays are ready to go and to use in 20 minutes. The process is also extremely simple. All you have to do is take the Jesmonite powder, mix it with any of the colors that you choose, mix it well, and literally pour it into a mold. And in 20 minutes, it's ready. You want to see how it looks like? Look at this beauty. Well, what do they use this for? Well, girls use this very proficiently. They keep their jewelry in it, they keep their little makeup items in it, their lipsticks in it. They just keep it next to their bedside corner for it to look really pretty aesthetic and very Pinterest. Oh, by the way, you thought you could only make one? You can actually make two with these. So definitely gets you the good price for a great value. Number 2 on my list is a beautiful UV resin pendant kit with which you can make 10 amazing pendants. Like imagine आपके first date के flowers हो, या the flowers that you're about to gift her right now, or anything honestly. She can make these beautiful little pendants and preserve them. She can also double them up as keychains. So in this kit, you get everything possible. Again, like every Kidsters kit, you get a QR code at the back. When you scan it, आपको सारा video दिख जाता है and you know exactly what to do. The cool part about this is it literally takes about 5 to 10 minutes just to make one pendant. And with this you can make 10. So it's not like उसको सारी चीजें एक ही बार में करनी है. She can do it part by part. She can do it one day at a time or whenever she wants to, honestly. In fact, she can do this with you, or she can invite a bunch of friends over and have a very cute girl time. Now, in the kit, you get everything possible. You get a UV machine, you get UV resin, you get a messy mat, you get 10 different types of pendant molds. So, हर बार उसको same pendant बनाने की भी जरूरत नहीं. She can actually make 10 different types of pendants. And she keeps switching it up every day. She gets different colors, she gets a few resin, she already gets like a few pressed flowers to get her started, so that she doesn't even have to go looking for these pressed flowers or flowers anywhere. So you give her this one kit and maybe you don't even have to give her a bouquet. But yeah, these are just so pretty. Let me show you a couple of these. So she can make some things with just the color, like this. She can make some with these beautiful little pressed flowers that she already gets in the kit, or she can use fresh flowers again. She also gets a bunch of these cuties in the kit that she can make this with, or she can actually mix two colors and make something like this. And it's super simple. Like, she doesn't need to know art at all to do something like this. All she has to do is pick up this mold, put it on a piece of resin tape that we give in the kit, pour the resin in it, put the color or choose like a flower, put it in the resin mold and put that entire like resin tape under the UV machine. And in about a minute or two, it dries up and your pendant is ready to go. That simple. And again, ये तो मैंने आपको 4 ही दिखाए हैं, आप बना सकते हो 10. By the way, in case she wants to keep making more, you can always just go back to our website and get her new supplies. So all of the material that's available in the kit, if she wants to make more and more of these, you can just order them as supplies. Just head to the comment section down there and we've left a link. On number 3, I've got for you this beautiful cactus candle kit. By the way, do you see the soy on the cactus candle? Yeah, that is a very, very important component, by the way, because soy wax is an extremely healthy wax. Let me tell you a little bit about paraffin. Now, paraffin wax is an extremely harmful wax. This is the, those lamba wala white candles that we used to use at home. That is something that's made out of cheap paraffin. Now, this is an extremely harmful substance, honestly, because as soon as it starts burning, it leaves this black soot, which is very, very unhealthy and harmful for your body. So what we've done is we've replaced that entire bit of candle making with a very healthy soy wax. This is 100% natural. So it does not harm the body and in fact, it's great to burn. This is every girl's Pinterest board dream. Trust me when I say this. They have either saved this on their Instagram or they saved this on Pinterest as a cute aesthetic candle to have in the house. It's just so amazing because that beautiful green that you can make with it just adds so much to your aesthetic home decor and it's extremely pretty. The best part is, again, like our Jesmonite kit, she does not have to be an artist at all. In fact, all of our kits for that matter. She can literally try this for the first time in her life and still create marvelous candles and have a lot of fun doing it, obviously. Now again, super simple process, guys. There is soy wax given in the kit, right? All you have to do is melt the soy wax in the melting container that we have given to you. You can literally keep it, you can do like a double boiling method. All you have to do is then you start pouring that into your wax mold that's already given in the kit. You insert the wick, you insert, maybe if you want to like add some fragrance oils, you want to add some mica powder, you add all of that, just mix it up. All of that is available in the kit, by the way. And after about an hour or two, your candle is ready. So you just demold it and you're good to go. Let me show you how it actually looks. Look at this cutie. This is how it looks. And guess what? You can make 2 of these with this kit. So what are you waiting for? Get it right now. This is so cute, so aesthetic. And trust me, she's gonna love you for this. Number 4 on my list, this little beauty. This is a light bottle painting kit. This is my personal favorite, honestly, but don't go with my buy. It's at about $7.99 and you can make these really, really pretty, beautiful looking light bottle paintings with it. This is honestly the simplest process, but I would highly recommend this for girls who are super artsy, who love to paint, who love to like sit down and really like, create something beautiful. It's the best gift for them. And like, I think the really cool part about this kit and one of the major reasons why I love this so much is the art becomes functional. Because you're actually painting on a bottle where you get to put lights in it and use it as a lamp. So I feel like there's like functionality to the art and it's self-standing, so you can actually keep them anywhere in the house, create like a cute cozy aesthetic corner, or you can take it to office, keep it there, or even give it to someone, however. But I love the kit for this reason. So you get this beautiful green bottle that has been upcycled. It's a very heavy duty glass bottle, so even if I've actually dropped it a few times and it doesn't break, I promise you that. So if your girl is like me, who's a little clumsy and maybe has buttery fingers, you trust me, you're not going to be wasting money with that glass bottle. Also, you get like these beautiful acrylic paints in it, you get fairy lights, you get like this side of the box where you can actually kind of like draw out, think about what you want to create and then kind of get to it. And yeah, this is what you can make with it. last but definitely not the least, because again, Kidsters, 100 plus options. But yeah, definitely the last one on my spectrum today. This is for 349. This is a mini painting kit. I feel like this is one of these really cute, fun, to go kind of kits where the kit can travel with you. You can take them anywhere you want and just celebrate that me time. So I think this kit, if you gift it to your girl, this is definitely something you give to her. If you want her to just celebrate herself, sit down, not get too intimidated by those massive canvases. Uh, get her that kickstart, just to start painting all over again. This is that kit. This is the kit that you use to do that. Well, it's a very simple kit. You get this mini, like an easel, you get a mini canvas, you get like a set of 12 colors. You don't really, oh, the best part, by the way, and why I say that it's a to go kind of a kit is unlike acrylic paints or any of the other paints, or oil paints, you don't really need water to, kind of go with these tempera colors that we give you. There are 12 sets of colors, so there are a lot of color options that you can choose from, and you can be sitting anywhere in the world. Imagine like her sitting in a cute little cafe with a side of coffee and this little cute painting to go along with it. It doesn't even take that much time because again, like, it's a very small little, cute canvas, so it kind of gets done in 20 to 30 minutes. But yeah, I think it's just one of the cutest things that anybody can give to a girl. One more very important thing. This is what the mini painting looks like. Obviously, she can do much better than me, but this is something that she can create on the go, and you get this cool little easel with it. So this is not going to be lying around in the house not looked at. This is going to be the center stage of her cute little aesthetic. She can probably put this in her office, she can put this on a cozy corner, she can put this anywhere and be reminded of you and how much you thought of her. So definitely recommend this. Yeah, so that was about it. That was my last recommendation. I definitely have a lot more recommendations to give you for every different occasion of your life. So guys, do subscribe and follow us. Go to kidsters.in, check out all the different kind of kits that we've got. Trust me, we have something for every occasion. So yeah, head to kidsters.in right now and get your girl the dream gift that she deserves. Alright, see you in the next one.